Hello everyone. Thank you once again for your encouragement and for walking this long journey with me. But today we pause. Sometimes before we continue telling stories, we must first honor the people who made those stories possible. A few weeks ago, Nigerian theater and cinema lost one of its finest gentlemen, Dr. Kola Oyewo, actor, scholar, teacher, traditional ruler, and above all, a man who lived completely for the arts. I had the privilege of working with him on Kòṣeégbé, Òleku, and Saworoide. Each film revealed a different side of his remarkable talent. But before we revisit those performances, I would like us to spend a little time with the man himself. 3 years ago, during the production of our documentary series, Heroes of the Yoruba Traveling Theatre, my young colleague, Omowunmi Jimoh, sat down with Dr Kola Oyewo for what has now become an invaluable conversation.
The heroes of the Yoruba Traveling Theatre, the stories, the triumphs, the making of history.
On Friday, June 2nd, 2023, Professor Kola Oyewo was honored with an award of the 5th Legacy Series by the Ibadan Film Circle, IFC. Professor Kola Oyewo started his theatre career 59 years ago under Adejobi Professional Theatre Group in Osogbo. He was active on stage for 9 years in the group before he joined the University of Ife at the Òleku Cultural Center, Ile-Ife, in 1973. Professor Kola Oyewo has worked with notable professional giants like Professor Wole Soyinka, Professor Olarotimi, Professor Femi Oshofisan, and many others before the advent of television, film, video, definitely before Nollywood was born. Before the time he had his first degree in dramatic arts, Professor Kola Oyewo had worked with the University Theatre Company, which was later known as Awo Varsity Theatre. 32 years after his theatre career, he started lecturing as a graduate assistant in dramatic arts department. He is a recipient of many awards. Professor Kola Oyewo is one of the most prominent heroes of the Yoruba Traveling Theatre.
In January 1964, when I was auditioned like any other person to be employed as trainee actors at Adejobi Theatre, Chief Lere Paimon was the manager of Adejobi at that time, and he was the one conducting the audition for us. And there are 3 things you have to know how to do before you are considered for employment. First, you either know how to drum or how to dance, how to sing. If you don't have any of those 3 talents, you cannot be employed. Because in those days, we did not recite our lines, we did not say our lines. You either sing it or you chant it. When we get to stage, we first give them the opening glee. Ẹ kú ìjókòó, ẹ kú ìkàlẹ̀ ara, ẹ kú ìfẹ́ gbogbo. Èrè òní ò ní ìtàn, òjòwú obìnrin. Àwẹ̀lé alọ́kọ lérè, alọ́kọ lóríṣà. Orogún Adédìgbà, and so on. That is the opening glee. And the lead role will come on stage and introduce himself. That's Adegmede. mo kí yín gbogbo ènìyàn ọlọ́lá gbajúmọ̀ orúkọ mọ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ foríjì mi o ẹni tó mọ̀ mí kó tún mi wò ẹni kò mọ̀ mí kó má gbọ́ èmi ládégbìndín ọmọ ọba dànsákì èmi lọ́kọ ṣẹ̀gúlọ́lá èmi lọ́kọ ládòbó èmi lọ́kọ àwẹ̀lé alósùn lẹ́sẹ̀ àfojú fọkọ mọ́ra ẹni tó mọ̀ mí kó tún mi wò ẹni kò mọ̀ mí kó má gbọ́ èmi ládégbìndín ọmọ ọba dànsákì. And the wives will come in and greet Adégbìndín. Say, not káàárọ̀ sà. Ọkọ wa kú òwúrọ̀ o lówó orí wa ẹ kú ìdájí o lọ́jọ́ òní o ojúmọ́ tún mọ́ a dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run ọba àwa forí balẹ̀ fún ọ o ká tó jáde lọ ìbà orí adé ọmọ ọba dànsákì àjúbà rẹ o ká ṣòwò ká bóde pàdé kájé ó wọgbà wa àwa ń lọ o ó dìgbà ọkọ wa. His friend will come in, sing and so on. But when we started performing on television, producer director at that time was Sam Adegbiye. He said, you cannot be singing, you come to greet your friend and you are singing. Can't you say your lines? Why must you sing all the time? But we were so used to it that, we said these television people have come. They won't let people enjoy our play. They love us singing. So he said, limit your singing to the opening glee and then the closing glee. But the rest, you have to say your lines. That was how we started saying our lines instead of singing or chatting them.
Thank you, Kola Oyewo. Your voice still teaches. And over our next few episodes, we shall celebrate the films that brought us together. Kòṣeégbé, Òleku, and the iconic Saworoide. Each one carries a part of your remarkable legacy. And during the week of your final farewell, we shall present the new Kòṣeégbé, a teaser dedicated to your memory. From my desk, my name is Tunde Kelani. Ire ni o.